You be like, baby, who cares? I know you care.
Fucking road.
Yeah, my nigga.
See you in London.
See you in London.
Sabi girl no dey too like dog. Animals stay in human form. Body man nobody like dog, but you must hustle if you want job.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Bad and Bougie podcast. My name is Tolani Baj, aka T Baj, and I'm chilling with my co-host Moe Abebe, the goddess.
Yeah,
okay, today's episode is going to be very different. Do you enjoy being plain?
Absolutely. I think I enjoy being anonymous. I enjoy the fact that I can wear a hat. Well,
But
I
you're
can't
not
anymore.
anonymous.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
stand
I
out.
can't anymore.
Like, we know who you
I
are.
can't.
You stand out.
Yeah. True. But the thing is, I enjoy the fact that when I'm not working, I can just chill and be at home with my kids and just chill on my couch and just be me. You know, and not feel the pressure to be at events and to look a certain way at every event I go
But
to.
actors go to premieres and you like you guys wear
We
nice
show up. We
suits.
show
Like, you
up
guys
for
show
our
up
events.
looking,
Yeah, we show up for our events, but the pressure not so much. The pressure isn't so much on us.
Hi guys, it's day 2 of my stay in Albania. You guys, I'm enjoying myself so far. However, it's been raining since morning, so I've not been able to do anything. It's currently 10 a.m. now, and we have been sleeping, you guys. So I've been sleeping because we hadn't rested yesterday. But today we have like a bunch of activities we might end up doing. We're not sure because the rain is crazy. Like, why is it raining? Like, why? But yeah, we plan on getting to the city because we're in a different part of Albania. We're in Shiroke. I hope I got it correctly. But yeah, I'll definitely take you guys along if we end up going out because we're just hoping the rain stops. But yeah, I've showed you guys what the pool looks like. So I'm literally, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but yeah, that's the pool. Like the whole island on its own. So that's the pool area. Very cute. That's another part of the house where we can actually just chill, but because of the rain we have not actually been able to do anything. I love the view, guys. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Like the whole pool, that's it right there, and then that's the lake. You guys, it's so huge. Like it's big all the way there to this place. Like, it's so cute. It's an island. I've forgotten the name of the island. I think it's called the Panoramic Island. Yes, that's where we are. So it's very, very huge. I'll definitely drop the link of the Airbnb if you guys end up coming to Albania and you just find it interesting because like the view is given. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'll definitely take you guys along if I end up going out later in the day. See you guys later.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this cloud. All in the sky, ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't.
Hi guys, I've not seen you guys in ages. That's because we didn't even go anywhere today. Like it was raining from morning to like later in the evening, like 6. It actually just stopped raining, so it's currently 6:30 and we want to go to like the mini market. It's just like 9 minutes from where we're staying. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys because I know this day too is just looking anyhow, but it's not our fault because it's been raining and we can't go out in the rain, and it was like 6 degrees, which is not even safe for us to be out because it's going to be very cold. But we had some indoor activities, like we played some games, which was actually fun. So now we just want to go to like the mini market to see if we can grab something for dinner or like just walk around and see what it looks like now in the neighbor. But yeah, just want to tell you guys, and then we are out now. I'll see you guys when we get there. You guys, it's dark, but no, say hi there. Hi there.
Hey yo.
So dark.
Hi Jane. Hi Jane's fans.
Let's say hi, guys.
Because I'll see and watch the video. So hi, Daniel.
Keep post. Video sharing like like I'm not too cold with all this. They're supposed to have a restaurant.
Italy direct.
Do you know that song?
Yeah.
Say the border. I see the live girl.
This market will go to.
The market.
Any market. So why are you saying put that down? Because the time is there now.
We can tap on.
Not our shop, but like
This is so beautiful.
Daniel, that's like it. I saw you
Daniel, jump.
I don't know why you're playing.
You guys look at the sea. Just the sea.
Okay, let's go.
There's a staircase down there.
Just the sea, guys. You guys, there are a lot of stray dogs in this country. Look at the sea. There are a lot of stray dogs. You guys, that's what I don't like. Please, let's be going. Please, let's be going, I beg. Let's be going. If you know me, I like dogs, but there are a lot of stray dogs in this country, and I can't.
Don't wait to move. You want to ride back.
It's the biggest one. The other one was really tiny. And the next one is in town.
Yeah, I know, but in terms of what they sell.
I think it's right.
You guys, this is their milk. This is what their milk looks like.
Other side, please.
You guys, see the things we're buying. Rich kids.
So you say, do you have car?
This 5,362 neck. Yeah.
Try the drone.
You guys, this is the entrance of our villa. Goes down there.
For sure, because it was like aerial. We didn't see lock itself.
You guys, this is the compound. This is what it looks like. And then that's the house over there.
It's an echo. Hello.
So guys, this is the pool. God, it is. Careful. So guys, we're prepping for dinner. Please ignore my scarf because that's the way we're going to be dressing in this country. But anyways, so we just finished swimming. We were attempted to swim. Don't insert a video of what happened. I just took like short clips and all. But yeah, we're about to make dinner now. I mean, dinner is ready, but we just want to like set everything so everyone will come downstairs to eat. I'll show you guys in a sec what we're having. Peeling the eggs that everyone is going to have. Then this is our chef, Frances. She's actually making sauce. It's fried rice that she has made for us. Ooh, looks nice. I know. So yeah, we've set the dining for everyone here so that we'll have our dinner over there. Hi guys. So yeah.
Animals they in human form. Body man nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want to. If no finish they won't fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they from say I too righteous. No come they from say you do like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad and the beat and the get the time for Make you dance like Any of my kind, oh yeah, what you want, any make you dance like that. See you, I want you to take like that. But
Hello guys, we're about to pray, but before we came down, Claire had eaten more than half of our
You have to make it rhyme. Claire has cleared half of her food.
Claire had cleared half of our
let's
plate.
pray now so we eat.
Okay, let's pray guys. You give me a hand. Our gracious God who resides in heaven, thank you very much for the food you provided for us today. Thank you very much for the pockets of provided for us. I feel like you to guide us and protect us wherever we find ourselves. I feel like you to bless our trip to our fathers and we pray for all this through the name of the dear Son, Jesus Christ.
It says she's organized. Daniel and Dami were on duty.
I was both watching this afternoon.
No,
Who's doing it? No, I watched me and Lutan did last night. Yes.
What did you do?
Wait, did you tell us what
No, we watched.
More money for Ikiru. More funds.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, madam.
Hi guys, this is day 3 of my stay in Albania. You guys please ignore my room. We're trying to arrange the room this morning. We're rushing out, so we have like a couple of activities we're going to do today because we didn't end up doing anything yesterday. Like I told you guys, we just had like an indoor activity yesterday, which was actually fun. But yeah, today we have sightseeing in the museum. We are going to the castle and like somewhere else. Then we'll have like fine dining later in the evening because I think we're leaving tomorrow 10 p.m. which is Monday. But yeah, I just want to introduce day 3 for everyone and say welcome. You guys stay tuned, you don't want to miss any part of it because it's gonna be a banger, you know. So we're just going to have breakfast now and then leave the house. The taxi is coming in 10 minutes. We're actually running late, but he will just chill and wait for us because we woke up a bit late. But yeah, we're going to have breakfast now and leave the apartment, and I'll see you guys when we're out. So guys, this is what we're having for breakfast. Say hi guys. You guys, for a second, let's appreciate this beauty. Just look at the sea.
Don't go flying.
You guys, it's so cute. So guys, when we were at the castle, something interesting happened. Some group of people came to meet us to take pictures with us. We were scared because we didn't understand why they wanted to take pictures on their phone. They even came with their kids rushing towards in the castle that they wanted to take pictures with us. But later we found out that is the culture in Albania. They hardly see black people. So they get very excited when they see the blacks and they want to just take pictures with them. So it felt very warm and welcoming because it was our first day out of the city. Trust me, I was scared at first, but later I calmed down because I had to check if that's how it is normally when you travel outside of the country. But yeah, expect this anytime you travel in Albania. There will be a lot of people rushing you just to take pictures with you because they don't see blacks anywhere.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Yeah. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, saying baby, you love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill.
My friend is tired. I swear, like we've been walking, like so exhausted. What's the next plan, baby?
Hike and biking.
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 Around the city.
Bicycle ride around the city.
Oh my god, are we still doing that? I swear I'm having headache, guys, but what's always so yeah.
Now we're at the museum where we don't gonna stand shite.
But you're enjoying it, Abby?
Yeah, I know.
It's quite nice. Yeah. I'll see you later, guys. So cute. clear. Oh my god, this is cute.
And the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, from my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Oh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is trying to give me, he gon' save me, cause she give me butterfly in my bed.
Hi guys, so it's evening now and we are prepping for our dinner. We're having a fine dining in our apartment. We wanted to do it outside, but we didn't see a lot of fine dining aesthetic dinner, and it was so cold. Actually, it's like 6 degrees. It was like 6 degrees. It's so cold, so we're like, let's just have it around. We bought fish from outside and then we made pasta, which would actually be nice, having everyone together, chill and all of that. So we're just prepping. I'm done with my outfit actually. I'll show you guys what the full fit is, but yeah, I just telling you guys that we're having dinner in the house. I'll show you guys my girl is soon. I just want them to finish prepping, you know. But yeah, that's what's happening this evening. I'll see you guys soon. You guys, I love my dress so much. It's the slits for me. So cute. Please ignore my background. A lot of things scattered around. Okay, now I promise. So guys, my dress is from Shein. You guys, I also really love it because of the slit. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Then my wristwatch is from my mom. Was actually a gift from her. My bracelet was also from my mom. My hair was from my mom as well. I get yourself a mom that gives you, period. Then my heels was from PLT. Yeah, actually, that's it. That's it for me, guys.
Hi babe, so I'm like a H&M ambassador. My earrings are from H&M. Some of my rings are H&M. This one is from Shein. Okay. My top is from H&M. Skirt is from TK Maxx.
Ooh.
And shoes are H&M as well.
Right. H&M body.
Yeah, and hair by me, you know.
Hi guys. So my dress is from Shein, very lovely. My jewelries, the jewelries and the wristwatch was a gift. The hair is from Marlo's dress. I'll give you the page on Instagram. And yeah, my earrings was a gift from my mom, and the shoe was from Panoramic, very lovely.
Good, thank you.
Hi guys, my dress is from TK Maxx. My jewelries are from H&M. The rest are gifts. My shoes, I can't remember, but I got it from Nigeria. My hair is from Diane. Her name is Dami. I'll tell you her Instagram handle. But yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm going to start from my shirt. So this is H&M. My pants are from House of Cavani. My shoes as well are from House of Cavani as well. Jewelries, the wristband is from my dad as a gift, and the ring is from my friend as well as a gift. Obviously, I'm pro Apple, so Apple Watch.
Period.
Yeah.
Hi, my shirt is from Zara, my pants are from Limehouse, and my shoes are from Shoe. For my perfumes, I have half Penhaligon, half Pedi, leather, Dior Oud Isfahan, and Le Lab Di Matcha.
My pants are from Zara, my shirt is from H&M, and my chains are from Jackson Jewelers. Thank you very much.
If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Call 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, niggas show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yerky. When you give me the cake, all on my backside. I'm a hood bitch, in the backside. I show up, pussy on the backside. No bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Call 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. Bitches big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I tore that bitch like a NASCAR. I like Hellcat, start off the line and make the engine part. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party start. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beats. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like loud bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Call 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks.
This is such a beautiful meal. We're done with our food. Did you enjoy your food, Clay?
Yes, you've not finished the egg now. But
Fanny, did you enjoy your food?
I loved it.
Ooh, Lotta, did you enjoy your food?
Really, and it's sweet.
Mom, did you enjoy your food?
It was really sweet.
Ooh, nice. Daniel, did you enjoy your meal?
Yeah, 50
Dami, did you enjoy your meal? Lovely. 100%, guys. We enjoyed our meal.
And the entire trip has been 100%.
See you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. So it's day 4 of our stay here in Albania. We're actually packing our things because today's our last day as well. We're leaving today. Our flight is at 11 p.m. so it's like late in the evening. So we're packing our stuffs now, and then obviously we're still going to do some activities. We're not just let the day slide. So we have some activities we're going to do in the town, which is like 2 hours away from where we stay. So we're just packing our things now and then prepping because the taxi is coming at 12 o'clock. It's 10:30 now. We're just packing so that by 12 we'll be able to just move and start the day before we leave. But yeah, just wanted you guys to know what we're up to and you guys to know that we are leaving today. I'm actually very sad because I enjoyed my time here. I don't know why vacations are just very quick to end, but it is what it is. We move. So I'll show you guys what we're packing and what we have to go with, and then I'll see you guys when we're out. So guys, this is our check-in box. We're actually just putting things in where everything will fit for the plane, and this is our individual backpacks because we came with backpacks. This is each of our backpacks. But yeah, that's it. The room is getting tidy. We're tidying up the room gradually. Money, say hi.
Hi.
Man, say hi. Yeah, so we'll see you guys when we're out.
just hold me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Should have switched on
Yeah, we do person.
Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was good, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just hold me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. Maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Loving me, don't worry me. I am so obsessed. I want to touch of your body. I need it like I'm a sheep. Open up, make I see you. You're my love, one sexy. If you make a bad man sing, $1,000 for your head. Not for the ones I care what you said. You my one you carry from my head. And you are one you carry to my bed. Don't tell me no. You could be my partner, never eyes, no. And we can do a blow, you don't need to buy you. You know what you're doing, I have to carry go.
So guys, we just finished having dinner at KFC. We're just playing a game because we're boarding at 10:30 because our flight is at 11:05. So we're just chilling, playing a game of bullshit that Daniel invented. Say hi everyone.
for your head. Talk on the once, I don't care what you said, cause your matter. Now you want to carry for my head.
I'll see you when I see you. Yeah, my nigga.
See you in London.
See you in London. See you in London.
Get up.
My girls all together, you know.